the early 17th century, Peter Mundy was born in the town of Penryn. He grew up in a town where everybody enjoyed the delightful taste of beer. However, Peter never enjoyed the taste.
It's bitter. How could anybody seem to enjoy this?
A beer in each hand? 'Tis the ideal balanced diet.
Peter began his travels in 1609 as a young boy on his father's fishing ship. Remember, son, most shark attacks happen when you are wet. They crossed the channel and sailed to France. Peter was sent to Gascony to learn French.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Peter.
He then served as a cabin boy on a French merchant vessel. Peter never enjoyed the taste of wine either.
Why would anybody drink this? It tastes just like vinegar.
With your whining.
After many years, Peter Mundy rose in life and became a man of independent circumstance. He traveled all around the globe. However, no matter where he traveled, he just never could find the perfect beverage.
Here, try this. This chocolate from a new world.
But Peter didn't like the chocolate.
It's thick, just like mud.
Wah! Peter continued to travel and still never came across refreshment that satisfied his needs until one day.
Welcome to China.
Bring me your finest beverage.
This is our finest jar.
This is a top-rate brew.
After many years of travelling, Peter Mundy returned to Penryn, satisfied that he found the perfect cuppa.